On July 17th in Cashin, Oklahoma, a 65-year-old woman was arrested after she refused to sign an $80 ticket for a broken taillight. She fled from the police and allegedly attempted to kick the officer during her arrest. Body cam footage shows her expressing frustration and refusal to comply with the officer's orders. Here's how it all went down. As we can see from the officer approaching the back of the truck, the rear end is all busted up and apparently one of the tail lights isn't working.
And we're waiting to see if I can't find a bed for it, a short bed. It's drivable.
Yeah, but it's not legal because you got a busted tail light. You got your driver's license insurance on you?
The moment the officer said it's not legal to drive a truck like this, you can see the frustration already showing on the lady's face.
Probably about 6 months.
Oh, okay. Well, you've had plenty of time to get it fixed.
I've driven it up here a lot.
Okay. Well,
I drive it to Kingfisher, I drive it to Guthrie. You gotta stay off the interstate.
live here in town?
No, my name's Hamill. I live out on Highway 74.
Hamill, huh?
Yeah, Hamill.
Gotcha. Related to Hank?
I'm his mother.
Oh, okay.
Well, it seems like she's well prepared to have these papers ready.
Did you see if I own the vehicle? Because it's on.
All right. Appreciate it. Yeah, busted taillight seems to be a pattern with the Hamills.
Well, y'all had a headlight out on one of your cop cars the other night.
We did?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, but I just don't tell you.
We should have.
Yeah, I guess I should.
All right, sit tight for me.
What do you want?
I haven't decided yet. Stay in the vehicle. All right, Miss Hamill. Since you informed me that you've had that for 6 months.
Oh, yeah, and we're just looking for a bed because we can't find a short bed. I mean, my brother's looking for it.
Can you at least get the light?
I don't know if I can get the light. They've got lights on them, don't they? They do have lights in them, and they do work.
Well, it's broken.
Yeah, I know it's broken.
So if you hit your brake lights, that white bulb's going to blind somebody at night.
Oh, okay. Well, can I put red tape on it? Will that work?
Yeah, but I don't think red tape's going to help you there. You don't have enough plastic to tape over.
Well, you know, I kind of hate to buy one if I'm going to get the whole bed and it's going to have everything on it.
I gotcha.
You know, I just don't want to spend the money.
I understand.
And, you know, I don't drive it to Texas. I don't drive it in the city. I go to Guthrie, Kingfisher. I'm going right now to check on cattle. Okay. Well,
I did issue for a defective equipment. It's $80. You have till September 16th to take care of this. Get you to sign there with the Exodus.
So you don't even give a warning for this?
You've been driving around for 6 months?
Now she's acting surprised for that $80 ticket. That's what you get for taking 6 months or more to get your lights replaced.
Here, you've seen me in
town.
No,
I haven't.
You had to have. I've been up here.
Nope. Either way, I'm issuing you a citation. Sign there, please.
Well, I don't want to sign it because I don't want to do $80.
You don't want to sign it?
No, because I don't think that I deserve to pay $80 for something that is fixable and I can fix it if that's all you want to do.
Go ahead and step out of the car.
Why?
Because you're under arrest. Step out. Step out of the vehicle.
No, I'm not.
Step out.
No.
Step out. I'm giving you a lawful order. Step out.
Look at her showing disrespect to this officer. Closing that car window won't do you any good, miss.
You be fair with me and I'll be fair with you.
Step out.
No.
You're under arrest.
No, I'm not.
I'm placing you under arrest. Step out.
You are full of shit because you're not placing me under no damn arrest.
Step out.
No, I'm not.
305, 303. Do not take off.
Shut up and give me that and I'll sign it.
Step out.
And now she takes off. This is not looking good.
Dispatch. Got one taken off.
Deputies, occupant is going to be one.
We're going to be pulling into the DEP oil facility. See your ass! Get out of the car! Get out of the car!
Look at her still resisting. I know this won't end well for her.
Get out of the car! Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Get out of the car.
I am not. You better leave me.
See? I told you it wouldn't end well for her.
Put your hands behind your back. Now.
I said leave me alone. I mean it.
While she really kicked the officer, and now the officer pulls out his taser.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Lay down and put your hands behind your back.
I will stand down.
Now.
I will stand down.
No, you will not. You're going to get it again.
All that overreacting just for a taser. Imagine if it was a gun loaded with bullets.
What are your
And there goes the handcuffs.
Don't move. .305 dispatch. Go ahead and start EMS. Taser deployed. One female. Custody.
Clear.
Why didn't you just sign the damn ticket?
Because I felt like you would be clear with me because I have been in town forever with this thing. I've been on no shoes and getting things for me.
Do you realize you just got yourself in a whole lot more trouble?
What?
For running?
Oh, I didn't run. I told you you weren't going to arrest me. I pulled him here thinking that you would not.
Here. Go ahead and roll to your back.
Now she's being calm all of a sudden now that she's handcuffed. Switching sides has never been more obvious.
Everything.
Alright, I got EMS on the way, just hang tight.
You got a what on the way?
I got ambulance on the way, check you out.
Ambulance? I don't need an ambulance.
Well, you got tased, so they gotta check you out.
Well, can you just stand me up?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm hip. Like, oh, don't do the arms that way.
Well, how do you want me to hold you up?
I don't know.
Why don't
Can you get me in front?
How about you just lean up against my leg, alright?
Lean up against your leg.
Yeah. Wait for them to get here.
And wait for him to get here. Can you pick me up?
Yeah, if you don't mind. Help me get her up.
There you go. Time for a trip to jail.
Terminated.
Yeah, 10-4, she's in custody.
That's clear. I have deputies on their way.
How long has this truck been around here like that?
Sir?
She's so dramatic all of a sudden. Did I just hear her sobbing a bit?
All you do is sign the ticket.
305, would you like
But don't you realize, listen to me a minute. Do you realize,
Hold on. 305, can you 10-9 that?
you realize something? Nobody wants to.
Would you like any deputies to still continue that way?
Deputy.
Negative, deputies can 1022. Probably gonna need EMS out here to check her out. If you can go ahead and get a hold of GNS wrecking.
EMS has been advised.
All right, walk to my car, ma'am.
Can I shut my pickup off?
I'll turn it off for you. Come on. That's the taser cord. They're gonna get that out of you. All right.
Get it out of me.
Yeah, there's 2 prongs in you.
2 prongs in me. Oh, cute.
Go ahead and have a seat. I'll turn the air on. I'll let you cool down.
Can you pull your seat up or something? Or
That's as much as we got.
Such a good grandma. I love seeing her rage at first, but becoming compliant once she gets arrested. I had to laugh.
I wasn't going to. All you had to do was sign the ticket.
But can you just listen to me a minute? Do you know that nobody wants to come to Cashin for any reason whatsoever, because they know it's going to be an $80 fine for some dumb something all the time.
Well, when you're driving around like that, where do you think you can go driving around and get away with like that?
Guthrie, Kingfisher, because I'm going through Kingfisher right now to go to Loyal.
You may not listen.
And I've bought groceries.
You may not like the laws, but we're here to enforce them. Whether that be in Cashin, Oklahoma County, or wherever. Okay?
Hopefully this will teach her a lesson to just fix those tail lights next time. Or better yet, the entire back of her vehicle.
You're saying the Hamels.
The citizens.
Guys.
The citizens of Cashin. All right?
Citizens of Cashin.
You break the law in Cashin, we're going to enforce it.
Yeah.
Whether you're a Hamel or not. Okay?
No, you did this. You did not have to taser me.
You wouldn't comply. You wouldn't get out. And then you tried to kick me. So,
Why?
yes, I did.
Yeah, I tried to kick you because I'm a country girl, because no, I
And
didn't
you got
like being
tased
thrown on
because
the
of
floor.
it.
Yes.
Being a country girl doesn't give you the right to kick a police officer, ma'am. Imagine if the situation got worse and you got shot with a real gun.
All you had to do was sign, you would have been on your way.
Sign an $80 ticket that I had no business of even getting.
You told me you've been
$80.
driving that for 6 months. That's half a year.
That's right.
Okay.
And every time that we try to find...
What do you,
Fire,
what do you plan on
803 to
taking?
305.